Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Melita account is active and any unpaid bills are cleared. This unlocks data provisioning. Next, insert the Melita SIM into the primary slot and reboot the phone so the network can detect it. Once done, open Settings and check Mobile Network to confirm the device sees Melita. If you're traveling, make sure data roaming is enabled. Also, gather APN details now: name, appin, username, password, so you can enter them without interruptions. Now you configure the APN so your device knows how to carry Melita data. You go to Settings, the Network or Mobile Networks, then access point names. Create a new APN entry using the Melita values you collected. Enter the APN exactly, set type to default, SUPL, or Internet, and leave username/password blank unless supplied. Save the profile and tap to select it. After selecting, toggle airplane mode on then off to force the handset to re-register with Melita's data service and obtain proper routing. Finally, verify connectivity by opening a web page or running a speed test. The data icon should show 3G, 4G, or LTE. If pages won't load, restart the phone and reselect the Melita APN, or remove and reset the SIM to refresh the connection. If problems persist, check for carrier updates and confirm your plan includes mobile data. As a troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, contact Melita support with your IMEI and account number. They can push provisioning or identify network-side blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.